Hello everyone present here today and to our employees listening to us live from our sites. Thank you for being here with us to celebrate this special step, the official groundbreaking and start of construction of our new 340,000 square foot facility on the south shore of Montreal. On behalf of the entire team at ABB, we welcome you to the site of our future manufacturing and R&D facility in Canada that will look completely different from what you see behind me in a couple of years. In the next 2 years, this site will house over 600 new ABB Installation Products employees as we combine our existing forces of Iberville and Saint-Jean-Richelieu, as well as our Quebec sales office. This investment of over $130 million that we are investing today is ABB's largest investment in Canada to date. Today, we don't just celebrate the start of construction. We celebrate growth, innovation, and the future of ABB in Canada.
While we have been as ABB in Canada for the past 100 years, the ways in which we use electricity has changed, and demands continues to grow. The energy transition is accelerating, and with it, the demand for safe, reliable, and local manufactured electrical solution has never been greater. This project in Canada is part of our broader global growth strategy and local for local approach, where we are focusing on regionalizing our supply chain for more sustainable distribution and bringing products closer to our customers. This investment builds on other major projects recently completed, whether it's in the United States of America or Europe. I want to thank again everyone, also our people, who made this day possible. I believe in this project that will be extremely successful, and I also want to say thank you to all our dedicated teams, our partners, our customers, and the community.